Hey guys, welcome back to channel. It's been 3 months since I started using the Galaxy A26 and today I am going to share my honest long time review. It is still worth it buying in 2025? Let's find out in this video. I am Shadat from Shadat's Day Out. So guys, let's start the video. First, the design. Samsung keep it a simple but premium. Especially I like this smartphone new camera module. The smartphone built with Gorilla Glass Big Touch Plus 400 back with plastic frame. So overall the smartphone build quality is solid and the phone also comes with IP67 rating. The side mounted fingerprint scanner is very fast and the phone is surprisingly lightweight, is only 200 gram. Moving to the display, the 6.7-inch Super AMOLED 120Hz panel is awesome. Color pop, black are deep and outdoor visibility is decent. Display has a slim bezel but the water drop notch feel bit outdated in 2025. It still is comfortable for one hand use. Watching movies or gaming is great experience. Though the single speaker is just okay. The smartphone powered by 1380 chipset with 5nm processor. Its handheld daily tasks well. App opening quickly and multitasking is smooth thanks up to 8GB RAM. Software wise the phone running One UI 7 is clean and packed with the features. I love the customization option and with 6 years of update promise it's feature proof. Moving to the camera section, the phone comes with a triple camera setup, 50MP main sensor, 8MP ultra wide, 2MP macro shooter and 13MP selfie camera. First of all, talk about the video quality. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video and you also record 1080p 30fps, 720p 240fps slow-mo video with EIS and this is 4K 30fps video sample. So let me know in the comment what you think about the video quality. Now let's talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a good pictures. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness are so good. The 50MP main camera takes sharp photo in good lighting but dynamic range could be better. And this is portrait pictures and is not too bad. And this is night and low light photography. Low light photography performance is average. Night mode helps but don't expect flagship level result. The smartphone powered by 5000 mAh battery is a beast. I easily get 6 to 7 hour screen on time even with 120 hours on. But charger is only 25 watt and no charger in the box, so keep that in mind. So is the Galaxy A26 worth it in 2025? If you want a solid Samsung phone, great display, good battery and solid softwares, so Galaxy A26 is a great choice for you. What do you think? Would you buy the A26? Let me know in the comment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more tech review and I will catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.